Hello everyone, this is Sobi. Remember me from Sobi Sells Their Property. Come take a look at my newest listing. This is an absolutely beautiful unit. It comes completely furnished, two bathroom located in Hispaniola Beach Condo, one of the most desirable community in Sosúa. It has a private beach. This is resort style living at its best. Centrally located to everything, no car needed. You are 3 minutes walk to Playa Alicia, few minutes walk to Sosúa Beach, supermarket, restaurant, and everything that Sosúa has to offer. And this unit comes completely furnished, ready to go, move-in ready, or start renting it now. Absolutely beautiful. Let me show you the bedrooms. Very spacious kitchen. Absolutely beautiful. Here's the master bedroom. Imagine waking up every morning to that view. Absolutely beautiful. Reach out to Sobi with any question. Ensuite bathroom. And I'll take you to the second bedroom. Air conditioning as well, and here's the ensuite bathroom. This unit also offers a laundry room area. And here's the laundry room. And I'll show you the pool area in a few minutes. Reach out to Sobi Sale today with any question or to schedule your private showing.